We have a young man here who has a request.
Hi, what's your name, son?
My name is Clifford, and I think you're the bestest captain in the whole wide world.
Well, thank you, Clifford.
I was wondering, my captain, if we could land in Los Angeles so I could go to Dinosaur World.
The only way we could land in Los Angeles would be for an emergency.
Whatever you say, my captain.
Geez, it's awful quiet in here. Where's Clifford?
He shut the engines down.
I'm sorry, I don't know why Stefan did that. Are you out of your tree, sir? Stefan, hang in.
I've regained control in number 4 Los Angeles. Request permission for emergency landing procedures.
Roger, Flight 43. This is LAX approach. You are cleared for immediate landing on runway 23.
What an amazing story.